This is 14.5 inches by 3.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. In this video, I turn a $1 piece of scrapped hardwood into a $45 designer salt and pepper holder in under 20 minutes. And what you're going to do is we're going to be using about half of this. So just take a pen or a pencil and draw a square right here, 1/2 inch all around the edges here. So just go around 1/2 inch, and then draw a square around it, and then leave a tiny gap right here on the square. And then right here, this piece from here to here is 3.5 inches, and then you'll need one more 3.5 inches right here. Now you can use your miter saw, and I'll show you what to do. I'll show you a simple process and a secret twist that makes this a high margin build you can batch produce for local sales or for Etsy. It has a really high ROI, so let's get started. Once you're done with that, you should have two pieces that look like this. This is optional, but I'm going to engrave a small icon into the piece of wood. Now let me show you what makes this so special. First, I added the icon on top, the salt icon on top, which adds a nice touch to it. I also put a salt and pepper holder in one, so it can hold both, not just one. And if you tilt it, it has a small gap in it, so you can tilt it and the salt comes out, or you can flip it over and tilt it on the other side and pepper comes out.